weekly stretch is going to be focused on opening up our hips. This especially is going to be really helpful as an alternative for some people that have pain or discomfort trying to do that pigeon pose in yoga. This is another way to get some movement into your hips. Or for instance, if you have a really hard time bringing your knee down like this, is another way to open up the hips and get them moving so that you don't have to feel that like pain or discomfort, because shoving your knee down can sometimes cause pain on the outside of your knee and even just like more discomfort in through the hip, and you're not necessarily getting more range of motion from doing that. So I'm going to show you first a laying down version. You're going to be on your back, have your knees bent. You're going to let them just drop from one side to the next. This is kind of I typically don't find, unless you're in acute low back pain, and then where everything hurts, but most people are actually quite good with this, and it's an easy stretch for everybody. I find it's really good to almost start your day, end of day, to get some movement into the hips this way, rocking side to side. The other variation is going to be on your elbows. So same thing, dropping down, but you're going to notice it's going to be a little bit more tender to come down. And don't worry about forcing it down, because that's, like I said, you can start getting pain elsewhere. Just kind of let it drop, see where the legs fall, and build up from there. Nice. So now you're going to do the last variation for this one. You're going to sit nice and tall, having your legs right in front of you, and then you're going to drop to the one side, getting as much range as you can comfortably is the key. Dropping to the other side, coming down. And again, I'm kind of letting my back go with me. If I was truly isolating it, then I wouldn't be dropping down like this. I'm letting everything kind of move, because I'm using this more as like a general movement for my hips, pelvis, and back, just to kind of get everything moving. It's a great way to like warm up your body for lower body exercises, especially if you work out in the morning where everything's a little stiffer, or just even to like end your day off. So dropping the legs each step through here and getting a little more rotation. So next week's weekly stretch, we'll go into a bit more of an advanced version of that to kind of add a little bit of a variation for that yoga pigeon pose that you can do instead, especially if you're getting knee pain or hip pain from doing it. So give this a shot. I would say around like 8 to 10 repetitions each side is, 8 to 10 repetitions each side is really good just to get things moving. If you can do it day and night, great. If you're doing it once a day, perfect. Still some movement in through your hips and back. Try it out.